Good evening. Hello, everybody. So this might be one of the most craziest live streams I've ever did so far. You will see how I paint the LESU tracked skid steer. So this is the kit in front of me. And I'm going to build it in the next weeks, and I will let you all take part of the building. So for tonight, it is German time, it's almost 8 o'clock in the evening. I'm doing the paint, the first paint. Hello, hey, nice to see you. And I will use some primer. It's the manufacturer is Duplicolor. It's I think a German company. And yeah, it's just the primer. So now we will just put it on the kit. Let's see how it works. Let's start with the body. Yeah, let's start with the body. Let's take these apart. Okay, first try. Yeah, it's working. This color is really a fast drying color, so this makes it more easy. Hello, nice to see you. Thanks for your comment. Where are you from? So it's always important not to put too much paint on the model. Because we do not want to get any noses. Okay. Let's just go around and put some paint on the other parts. Hi, you're spraying every day, so you are maybe much better than I am. I hope that this is okay and the result will be okay, but we will see later. I will change the direction. Yeah, looking not that bad. Making progress. Let's turn it. Look from the other side. Hello to Kansas. Thank you for a comment. How's weather in Kansas? Is it as cold as in Germany? So this is okay. Some more paint right here. The paint is really drying very fast. This is quite good. And it's always important only to spray in thin layers. This is what I'm trying to do. Okay. No, this is not good. The bucket. It's always so nice when you do the paint job and afterwards when you see the result and hopefully you made it right. It's always so good to see it. I really love it. Mitya! Hi, nice to see you. I hope you like this very crazy stream. As I said yesterday, I'm trying to give you guys being part of the build all the time, and today it's time for the painting. And this part is still missing. It is the left arm, but there's no space on the package anymore. Where can I put it? I don't know. Okay, the color is really drying very fast, very quickly. Thank you very much, David. Thank you very much for your nice comment. Thank you. This really motivates me to go on. And I guess this is the first live stream on YouTube ever that anybody can see how an RC truck is going to be painted. This is really crazy. But we all like crazy stuff, huh? So, I probably think that this should be the first layer. Yes? Yeah, I think so. Let me check. Yeah. I think this is the first layer. Maybe a bit more paint on the main body right here. Maybe needs a bit more. And I have these wedges right here. They also need some paint, but there's no space. There's no space, no room for the painting. So far, I guess I have to do it next time. Let's see if this is okay. This is everything looks fine. Yeah. Okay. So, I think there's some paint needed. Okay. Looks good. What do you think? Is it okay? Yes, this is okay. Maybe some paint over there. And by the way, this is only for those who were not right in the stream from the very beginning. This is only the primer. So this color will disappear, and the final colors I will get this week, and then you will see what colors I have chosen. I hope you will like them, but this is only the primer, so nothing important today, just the basis for the rest of the machine. So I think, what do you think? Yes, I think this is okay now. Yes, it is okay now. Good. So now it takes some time for the drying. I think tomorrow this will be okay again. Yes, thank you, Red Wolf. Thank you very much for joining. And the next stream will come. You can be sure it will come maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. And but this week I have to put some more primer on it, and maybe on Thursday I will put the final colors on it. But today was only the start. And the cool thing is, thank you, RC Truck City, thank you. Yeah, it is drying already. But you must be careful, not as I am, to touch the parts only if it's really dry. This might be a little bit early what I'm doing here. But as always, I just can't wait. Okay. Yeah, we can turn it already. Put some paint on it. Okay, good. This happens when it's too early. You see it? Now you see a part of the fingerprint right there. Hi. Is it Derek? Sorry. Don't have my laptop with me, so I can't see the chat only in the moment when it appears. So what I wanted to say is that what you see here it's the fingerprint right there. This is not that good. This happens when you just do it too early. So I will stop now. I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for joining me while painting the first surface, putting the primer on the model. And be sure, more to come. Maybe tomorrow, the next part. I'm not sure yet, but I will let you know. And yeah, stay safe and see you soon. Bye-bye.